is, as you are looking at my screen, script.sh. So I'm going to create three files: script.sh, data.txt, which is empty as well. Every three of these files will be empty. Empty. What is, by the way, you guys are programmers, mostly more big programmers than me. What does this MD file means? I have seen these files quite too often now. Any have an idea? MD. I'm seeing these files a lot, but I think probably it's just me. I have to figure that out as well. Okay, so now all the three files are created: script, data, and nodes. Nothing is in. Nothing is. I'm not going to go to step 4 right now. Three files are created. Let's say, for example, for now, I wanted to add it a file called. I wanted to edit the file script.sh. Okay, so I'm going to edit the file. So the editor that I will use is called Nano. Nano is the editor. Nano is one of the editor. Another editor that I mentioned was VI. These are useless editors. They are just like a notepad editors, right? Just nothing more than that. Script.sh. And when I enter script.sh, it opens up this editor. And in this editor, I'm just going to, so see this one, nano hello.sh or script.sh. Sh means shell script. It means that it is an executable script that I'm going to create. I'm not going to create a very humongous script here. It will be a very basic script. Which one is that? Bin bash. This is the script. But the important point is the second line, echo hello world, that I'm going to create. So I'm just see if I can copy it. If I'm not, I'm going to type it. Yeah, I cannot copy it. Can I copy paste selection? No, I cannot. So I will have to just type it. Hash, and I'm not a very avid typer on this keyboard right now. So bin/bash, and then I will enter. It is very small for you guys as well, I guess, already. Can you see my screen now? Better? Hash exclamation bin/bash, and then the next line is echo. Echo means print. Every single language has a different way of printing, but this one has. So this is called bash script. Bash script has an extension. So you have to enter that first line so that it becomes that, and then echo space hello world. Hello world. And I'm just going to save this. I'm not going to be very fancy about it. The next thing is Control X to execute. And then you see the bottom, what it says when you try to exit, it says, do you want to exit? Yes. So I will say yes. And then I'm going to save this file as what? Script.sh. It will be overwritten. So that file is being modified a little bit. Let's look at ls-l. What is happening? ls-l. So right now, the bash script is script.sh, but problem with this file is it is rw and r file. For any script to run, it should have what kind of permission? Execute permission. So make it executable for now. Just temporarily, I'm going to make it executable. What is the mode that I'm going to use? CHMOD. When I want to give CHMOD space +X. +X means for everything, whether it is a user, the actual creator of the file, whether it's a group or whether it's a other, everyone will get what? Execute permission. Hello. It was not hello.sh. It is what? Script.sh. So I just have to change the name, but fine. It's no. I missed a small t here. That's why. Enter. And now I have that. ls-l. Give me that. So now I can see xxx permission given to user, group, and that. So if I wanted to run this, just to temporarily see that, all I can do is /. What is the name of the file? Not hello.sh. It is called script.sh. sh. Again, I'm missing a T, so I'm not very used to this, comfortable to this keyboard. Maybe I should carry a keyboard with me. So now I'm going to say enter. Hello world is printed on the screen, right? This is just a script. So yes, you can write the script. It's called shell script. You can do that. Uh, question is, can we run Python scripts and as well in Linux? Well, it's up to you to try. I'm just doing. I'm not running a Python class for Linux here, so I'm just going to show you a small example. But yes, I'm sure you can run Python scripts here in Linux as well. So this is just a small demonstration of it. So you can print that out. But let's go back. And if I wanted to change the permission, chmod 750 script.sh, what will happen? That was just me showing you that yes, you can edit the script.sh file and put a hello world in there. Script could be any script. But for now, for understanding script.sh, I'm going to say what permission that I'm going to say. chmod 750. Think of it. 7 means read, write, and execute for the user. 5 means read and write permission. Execute. Now we have to think, right? Read and yeah, exactly right. You're right. Because 4 for read and execute for 1, right? So read and execute, and yeah, see it kind of because if you don't use it regularly, it will be. But good, thank you. So now if I'll say that command chmod. Again, I'm not very good typer on this keyboard. 750. What is this file? Script.sh. So this is one. What is the second one saying? We don't need execute permissions on text file because they are just a text file. So 640 chmod 640 on data.txt. Enter, and the last one is chmod 660. And again, well in doubt, go back and look at what does each command means. What does each permission mean? So now we have that. This is the permission. Here is the breakdown of the permissions that we have applied. Grant these permissions. This will create a folder and the files with the specified permission. So if you are wanted to create a folder with files with certain permissions in it, you have to explicitly set the permission for each file if you wanted to do it. So some people who I wanted to share this folder with someone, they should be able to only be able to read and execute. I have given them what permission? Number 5, 640. So 0 means others will not have anything of any slice on this one. This was just a basic one that I wanted to go over and show it to you. So it is uploaded to module 7 as a 7a. I have already practiced it with you guys in the class. You have seen this. Now coming back to 7b and complete that part. We have covered for 7b, we have covered this one already, chmod u plus x. We can do that. We can write the permissions according to this explicitly as well. You guys are comfortable with it now? You guys can practice it. Now, R is the recursive example. The last topic which I wanted to cover is recursive. Make a directory and all its content readable and executable by all. Recursive means directory under directory under directory. So you remember the inheritance in Windows? What does inheritance means? Go inside the folder, everybody will have that permission. So now if I say, let's go back a little bit and chmod before I do that, actually I should go back a folder structure back. So cd dot dot will take me what? Cd space dot dot will take me one folder behind. So I'm not standing on the project folder now. I'm outside of the project folder, and to confirm -L, you can see that I'm standing outside the project folder. So now if I say chmod -R 755. 7 means everything for the owner. 5 means read and execute, and read and execute for others. And what is the name of the directory? Project, right? Instead of my directory, I'm going to change it in which directory? Project directory. Enter that, and that's done. ls minus l. Now, if I see that directory has what permission? Read, write, and this. And let's see, because I used minus r, let's go inside the directory, which is the directory. What is that? Project, and enter. I'm going to hope that everything inside it as well has this permission. Can you see that? Everything so recursive means whether it's a directory or the subdirectory, everyone will get that same permission. But you have to standing on the top of the root folder, and then when you apply R, it will apply all that permission. Remove the permissions, minus R, recursively remove the permissions on that directory. And yeah, so this is examples in the practical content. We just discovered this. So feel free to practice something. So these are some of the commands. I'm not going to spoon feed every command. Please cover up from page number 5 to page number 6, all these other commands. And if you have any questions, please complete that for now. So I'm giving you next 5 minutes. Please complete these commands. So feel free to create this folder, project folder, put the 3 files in it, and apply the example in the practical